welcome back to the show. We're here today again at Lala Java, and we're here with Heather O'Connor, who's a family law person.
Family law person,
Well,
so not just an attorney.
Not just an attorney?
I'm also a real human being.
So let me ask you, what does a family law lawyer do? Because I've had some family dinners where a lawyer would be good. Is that what you do?
We don't just help, break up the fights at Thanksgiving dinner.
Okay.
But we take that into the courtroom. And so basically what we do...
Whoa, that sounds like fun.
No, really funny. When my kids were growing up, whenever they'd argue, I'd make them each take either the plaintiff or the defendant's side and argue their case to me, and I'd be the jury. And that's how we resolve conflict in our household. But what we do...
So they're bringing out Black's Law and making references?
They looked for loopholes. It was kind of a bad thing, I think, in the end of the day, but...
So in your daily work, what do you do?
We take people who are coming out of unhealthy or unhappy marriages and help get them on the path to live a life that they absolutely love.
Okay. So that's gotta be, there are days that has to be exhilarating, and there's days that has to just be a downer.
There definitely are on both sides of that. I think anyone who says that they're able to completely separate the emotional side from the work side is either the most cold-hearted human being I've ever met, or they're lying. Because we learn about really intimate details within our clients' lives. We get to know them, we get to know their families, we get to know, everything that's going on, and we root for them. We want them to not only get the best legal result, but really go on and live a life that they wake up each day loving. And we try to do that as a whole, where we're not just dealing with the legal issue, we're dealing with their outlook on life, we're dealing with, how they take responsibility for themselves and moving themselves forward without putting a lot of blame on other people. So it's a whole package, but it can get really trying. I say it's like Jerry Springer in my life every day. We've got the chairs being thrown, we've got, everything. But, sometimes you go to
You gotta
bed.
spend time at your office. You could have done this in our office and had
Got,
Jerry
padded
Springer
walls. No. But, there's nights you go to bed feeling extremely thankful for what you do, and there's nights that we go to bed thinking like, oh my God, can I take one more day of this? So.
You must have occasions where you've actually got a room. I'm going to call it the timeout room. You've got a different name for it.
Our client VIP room.
Client VIP room. So describe what happens in the client VIP room.
So coming to see an attorney can be a really stressful experience. Most people are coming to us not in a very good place in their life. It's not like some of the other areas of law where they're buying a house and they're excited about that. Something's ending. And even though that can sometimes come with some good aspects, a lot of time people are coming to us and I consider it to be one of the worst periods of their life. And so coming to a complete stranger that you have to get into all those details of what went wrong, what happened, what's going to happen, especially when you have kids involved, because a lot of times people are more concerned for their kids than they are themselves. It's a really high stress situation. So we've created a client VIP room that has an actual massage chair in it. It's a very zen room. It's a very peaceful room. And that way the clients can come in and just relax, either before or after meeting with us, and just take a load off, get into a good frame of mind to not just be stressed out, but to be able to work at something strategically and efficiently so we can really move them
So you walk in and you say, hey, I'd like a gin and tonic, and sit down and have a meeting?
No, we're not getting people wasted. Just relaxed.
All right. Well, Heather, I want to thank you for coming on the show today and talking about your family law business and how you deal with clients.
Yeah, absolutely. So glad to be here. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.